And I want to make a very open call to the promoter of Fomento, especially to Mr. Avadut Timla, who had taken a step to clear the garbage rot on the dump at Sansado. Full and final settlement of this garbage problem. I call upon Mr. Avadut Timla to give us a clear proposal to the Margao Municipal Council, what he has in mind, because the Fomento company as such is responsible for the management of garbage. I call upon the chairman of the company, because I think he has got some emotional attachment to his involvement there. His mother stays very close by to that. He is a Goinkar who has to keep up the name of his company and to the commitment that he has given. Fomento's chairman, Avadut Timlan, clear-cut proposal municipality gives of within 1 week.
Fomento ग्रुपाक विजयाची चॅलेंज मान्य.
First of all, where is the chief officer? Chief officer is not Marky Maxon. Marky Maxon, he's supposed to be here. No, he's supposed to be here. Otherwise, you've got to get rid of him. You can't kill this.
Sir, I'm trying to win hearts.
Politically, you are trying to enter into Margao constituency, and that too without sending a word to the local MLA. Is this the first move?
See, when I started my interaction with the people, at the onset I have clarified that I just wanted to come to see, as a minister, how the municipality is functioning. We have effected a major what you call a complete surgery of the technical section, which is seen to be the most corrupt in the Margao municipality and therefore spoiling the name of the council. Now, after these changes have been effected, how things are functioning, I wanted to see it for myself. Although the council is mine, although our councillors want to give justice to the people, they are not being able to give justice because the administration of this municipal council has got rusted. It has got at some places beyond redemption. They are insensitive, and people are not getting.
मडगांव नगरपालिकेत जनता दरबाराक विजय उलयतालो. पालिकेच्या स्टाफाचेर ताणे बरोच फोग काडलो. चीफ ऑफिसराकूय सोडलो ना.
He expects that the total collection and management of garbage to be Fomento's responsibility. Well, we are happy to know that he has this thought in mind, because for the last so many years, almost 6 years, that Fomento has been telling the municipality that we want to handle everything, the complete from A to Z, in a very professional way, so that this problem is once and not for all out of our purview. Now, solid waste management rules say that the garbage has to be collected from door to door, preferably in a segregated manner in the household itself, and then once it is collected, it has to be duly delivered there in a segregated manner.
Because right now, whatever waste is coming is unsegregated.
It's totally all mixed up, including electronic waste is there. So if it's going to be a presentation, and it's going to be a public presentation, where he is even insisting that our chairman, Mr. Avadut Timla, should be present, and he should do, but not to his technical people and all that. Well, he is out of station now. We'll inform him that this is what his friend Vijay Sarasai expects him to do. But that's no issue at all. We are prepared. And if municipality expresses their willingness to allow us to take over the whole thing, we are also fully prepared for that.
प्रुडंटा खातीर सावियो डायस.